Bonjour, monsieur et madame. This is Canary Wharf walking tour. Okay, so I had lunch in the Wetherspoons, the Christmas dinner, the turkey dinner, Market Hall, Cargo. Well, I had the Christmas dinner in the Wetherspoons, turkey dinner, very nice, turkey stuffing, pigs in blankets, carrots, including a drink. And then I took the Elizabeth line, which I said I was going to do, which I just waited about 5 minutes for. 5 minutes waiting for the Elizabeth line service, and I have arrived at Canary Wharf. Is there any canaries here? Cheep, 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 cheep. My granddad Scott used to have some canaries in a aviary. Well, a little. This is going back a long time ago, early 80s. He actually took them on holiday with us to the Isle of Wight, 1981 or whatever it was, going back a few years. So it's quite convenient actually. It saved me mucking about with the DLR again. I didn't realise I had the Elizabeth line at Woolwich.
No, can't wait till you come up to me outside the door.
So this is part two of the 3 places in London tour. What is this? That bed? Hello, is anybody there? Tramps camping out, duvet. Don't know what that's all about. Somebody camping out, made a little home to sleep in. A nice little sleeping area. A Canary Wharf. Is this something to do with Apple? Because I got an apple there. This is interesting. This like ball thing, floating bar. Well, it's the Canary Wharf. Is that building up there? You can't actually see the pointed bit on it though, which is a bit weird. That's quite good. It's like a pedalo. Are they peddling it? DLR going across there. So they're in like a little igloo bubble, which is very cool, I must admit. Who's steering it? It's got a little motor on it. Somebody's in charge of steering it. Chinese people on the boat thing. Schoonerboats.com. Alright. West India Quay. West India Quay. Well, I spelled key wrong. That is the DLR section of Canary Wharf. Okie dokie. So they do have a Wetherspoons over here as well, and they've also got a museum for the Docklands Docklands Museum, which I've been to a few times. I might go there again. It was quite interesting. I came here last year, December. They got the ice skating rink here. West India Quay. West India Quay? Q-U-A-Y. Funny language. Doesn't really make much sense. Got the Marriott Hotel over there. Take me to the Marriott Hotel. Walk-in reception, they're adjusting the bell. This is a luxury yacht. The Canary yacht. The Canary yacht. Luxury yacht. It's, I think it might also be a hotel. Oh, it's bookings available to hire for events. Yes, I think I might have my birthday party on there, for my 50th birthday party there. I think I might book that up for 2027. I'll invite all my friends and family, and we can all party my 50th birthday on that yacht. That's what I'm doing for my 50th. Going to be on there, I'll book it up. So that's what I'm doing. There we go. They've also got a little cinema around here. That's all those boats over there. They've got a few of them. I don't know how much they'll cost, but I reckon they'll be quite pricey. They've got a little cinema around here. It's over here somewhere. Let's go toilet. Oh, what's this? Helicopter or is it a drone? It's only a small little helicopter. Buzzing around like a bee. Schooner sauna. They've got a sauna here as well. This is a bit like what Ed Chapman did when he went to Norway or somewhere. He went on the sauna jacuzzi thing, and he went in the water as well for a swim, and it was freezing cold. You can have a sauna and have a dip as well. I don't really fancy it, really. It'll be a bit cold and I don't want to get freezing cold. Sauna boat. So over here they got shops, apartments, cinema, health club and car park. Now where's the toilet? Shops, apartments and cinema. Shops, apartments and cinema. That. This is Coco Chanel, the world famous designer perfumery. Fancy restaurant by the looks of it. Quite snazzy. Dental care, that's closed. I'm looking for a toilet. I don't know what's down here actually. Oh God. I don't know where the cinema is. Cinema? Got something more in there. Right, I gotta go pee. I gotta go pee fast. So they've got a Munich beer bar over here. It's called the Munich Cricket Club. Ha ha ha, here it is. Oh, toilets. Beer garden. the Munich Cricket Club. Is it open? Because that's where I'm going next. Changing rooms. You've got to get changed to go in a blimmin'. Got the Docklands Museum over there. Okay, so how much is this bloody sauna thing? St. Peter's Barge. Church? What do you mean church? Church? London's floating church. Is this free entrance? Guernsey. Sepa Secunda. I've been to Guernsey actually in 2009. I stayed at near St. Peter's Port. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, it's like a sauna boat thing that actually fills up with hot water. Hot boat tub. Boat tubs that you cruise around in, like a jacuzzi. Interesting. Boat church. Well, it's closed. So, sorry about that. Can't go into that. Oh, Canary Wharf, there we go. That's the pointy bit on the roof. You can see that now. Selfie. The old hot tub boats. You could just get like a little rowing boat or something. No, have a little row around. There's people having, I don't know what they're buying or doing. So I've already been to a Wetherspoons today. £49 for the igloo boat. £49 for 20 minutes. No, thank you. Docklands Museum is free, so I might go in there next. I'm just going to show you the Wetherspoons.
Obviously, I think he's probably lost his job.
They used to do sirloin steak in there, but I would have had lunch there. Otherwise, could have had sirloin steak, but they stopped doing it. So last time I came in here, I had sirloin steak. It was a bit tough, I think, so I can remember. Small breakfast, £3.99. This is the Ledger building, the Wetherspoons. But I'm not going in there because I've already been in the Wetherspoons today. I know what beer to expect in there, so I don't want that. They've also got Wetherspoons at North Greenwich, at the O2, which I may go in. The I forgot the name of the Wetherspoons. In Wharf. No, forgot the name of the Wetherspoons in the O2. Right, this is the London Museum of Docklands, Docklands London Museum. Tickets. Well, Okay. Hello, is it free entry or? Okay.
Starts up on the third floor.
Okay, yeah.
Some doors just there.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. Harrogate toffee. Nice Christmas tree, this. I don't want to give a donation. No. Okay, here's 20p. I think they're French. London Museum, what's that? Was it the wrong floor? Secret of the Thames? What's this? Is this the entrance? Hello, is this part of the museum?
Main exhibit.
Oh, is that okay?
Yep.
The entrance is the museum is on the first floor.
Third floor.
Third floor. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bit confusing there. That's a private exhibition. A paid entrance. Paid admission only. The museum starts on the third floor. We've got to walk up all these stairs. Jesus. Second floor. By appointment only. Oh God. So welcome to London Museum, Docklands. This is an old rowing boat that the old migrants used to use. The old illegal migrants. Back in the Victorian times, used to come across in one of these. So there we go. Not an inflatable dinghy, but a rowing boat. Used to get about 80 illegal migrants on one of those. And they used to row across from Canary, get picked up by border force and taken to their hotels. All free, of course. This is Popeye the Sailor Man. Well, it's not really Popeye, but it's quite different. Okay, back with the video. Battery just ran out, so I had to change the battery. This is a big cargo basket. They used to put all the food for the migrants in to carry back from the ships, all their food and supplies. Back in the Victorian times, the 19th century, they used to put all the food and belongings in the baskets and carry it back and carry it to shore. Okay, so this is an old ship. The Victory. Bit like the Victory. So I've got one more video to do after this, which is the O2, North Greenwich.
We can't go through that door.
So we haven't got time for that on the battery power, I don't know. Old stuff, a big pole there. Big pole for poking people with. What is it? I don't know. Tip stuff. Oh, it's fallen over. So there's an old table there. A round table. That used to be the captain's table to write his documents out on. I don't know. And that's some of the early migrants that came across from Africa. There's a prime example there. Down to the second floor. This is an old bathtub where they used to take baths. This is Cedar Town. It's an old town, Victorian streets. Victorian London. It's not bad considering it's free, this, yeah. It's a bit like York Museum. York Museum's got like Victorian streets.
Great Eastern. So this was the one that could sail to Australia.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
This is the Great Eastern Ship.
And Brunel's on there somewhere getting his photograph taken in on the spot.
Yeah.
It's right there, look. But it was a bit of a folly. It commercially wasn't viable. It cost fucking much to run, so it didn't actually do much in the way of. But you should, so that was launched just down the road.
Was it?
Yeah. There's a the slipway's still there.
Is it? Yeah.
Where they launched it.
So it was Isambard Brunel's gigantic ship.
Last journey to Buckingham. Amazing to be looking at.
Yeah.
1854. Finally floated at the end of January 1858. Really? Don't know what happened to the ship, or if it was
Later then, I suppose, we had to go, didn't
It
it?
just doesn't make money, yeah. It just
demolished or something. Got an old piano here. Don't know if it's available to play. No, it's locked. Yeah. Right, this is the way out. Thank you for watching. Docklands Museum. This is an old shelter during the Second World War. Bomb shelter.
What are we doing now, Mummy?
Are we going to go and get something to eat now?
Go there. Where are we going?
This is the old poppy dress. Loads of dumb tyres here. There's truck rollers there. There's weird stuff on it. What is that stuff? Weird. Anyway. Thank you for watching the tour of Docklands Museum. Onwards with the tour now to explore the rest of Canary Wharf. Okay, so that's the Munich Cricket Club there. Back on over to the Big Easy. They've got this garden in there, the Elizabeth Line place. The sipping rooms, the nice decoration on the entrance here. So that's the Big Easy, the Crab Shack. They've also got one of those at Blue Water as well, where I went a couple of years ago. Got a new building in construction there, 1 North Cray. Not bad around here actually. Shame the Wetherspoons doesn't do sirloin steaks. I was to be going there for a sirloin steak, but no. Big Dog Energy. Don't know what this place is. This is I don't know, but I'm not going in there. Games. Ice cold beer, cider and jugs or pims served here. Roll up, roll up. Right, so that's it there, is it? There's some kind of restaurant and bar. Hofmeister on tap. Is that Hofmeister on tap they got there? Oh, damn it. If I had known... No. It's not Hofmeister on tap. Anyway. Cruise camper shit beers, anyway. Just as well, I went to the Munich Cricket Club. It'd be nice if somebody could take a selfie with me on this horse. But, Okay, so one more place to go, one more stop after this, and then back home. It'd be quite nice to spend New Year's Eve here or something, you know, in a bar or something. Be quite fun. Welcome the new year in at Canary Wharf, which is in a few days' time. I don't know, I have time for the North Greenwich video. I'll try and get down to about, I'm on 84% battery. Bit more time here. And then North Greenwich, the O2. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Smells like Thai. Yummy. Can't have dinner. Thai food, oh great. Oh. What's this place? I'm bloody starving here. Oh, I do love a good Thai. Chicken Peking, ginger and spring onion. I went to the Thai at Maidstone last week, but it wasn't chicken pad king. It was like kind of a more curry flavoured meal. Now this is Market Hall here. Various food outlets to discover. Oh, and they got a bar as well. Wow. They've got a couple of bars. Yeah. So it's kind of a like food hall and bar area if you want to do that kind of thing. And they got Laurenbrow Oktoberfest on tap. Oh bloody hell. They've got Laurenbrow Oktoberfest on tap. Wow, I've already had one of those. Wow, nice selection. So they've got Labab kebabs. Oh, yeah. Barbecue chicken shish lamb steak. So lots of people queuing up to eat here. I think you've got to wait for a table or something. Anyway. Bonjour and welcome to Canary Wharf. This is Adams Plaza at the moment. Canary Wharf straight in front of me, right up there. Yeah, I used to work in there back in the day, doing the old banking and stuff, you know. Before I was doing my current job, I was there for 5 years. Data input assistant. Okay, so got this place here, Crossrail Place. So it goes towards the Big Easy building. Seems to be some kind of photography point for taking photos. Quite a few bottles of beer left on the side here. One Peroni, one Beer Moriarty. Why are people leaving bottles of beer around? They shouldn't be putting it. They should be putting it in the bin or whatever. Got to get to the ice skating rink as well after this. They've got Barry's over here. Barry's. Director's box? What's that? Is that a bar? No more beers. I mean, God's sake.
Thanks, Phil.
How many bars they got? Hang on, these aren't working. Typical. Got a flipping trudge up here.
Oh no, we've got to make it working.
Okay, so that's the Big Easy Crab Shack. This is the gardens of Canary Wharf. The Big Easy Gardens place. I used to have a piano over here somewhere because I played God Save the Queen on the piano once. Bling, 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 bling. Nice gardens around here. Don't know where it finishes or goes to. Got to get to the next place. We've got bird houses here. Nice area. I can hear a piano at the moment, actually. Some people are dancing or something. What the hell's going on here? What is this? There's people dancing. Some kind of weird freaky deaky dance show.
Stop.
What exactly is this? It's quite nice actually. Very good, nice. Nice dancing there. Like that. Okay. I do like the Chinese people and their dancing. Very graceful and whatever. Push. Gotta find that bloody flipping bloody ice skating rink, haven't I? That's sick. The ice skating rink's just over here. I can get to North Greenwich as well after this. No mucking about now. Ice skating rink, that's my little bloody lot. That's a big building, what's that one? Give me whiplash looking up there. HSBC. That's where I used to do my banking back in the day. Data input assistance. I used to do the fraud departments, checking all the transactions. Is it genuine? Is it fraud? Checking all the transactions. Yeah, I used to work there. That's why I know the area so well. So we've got the Ivy, restaurant here as well, you know. Got Waitrose over there, Waitrose. There's a big seagull, bloody hell. I was going to get attacked. Got the ice skating rink, which I come to see, Canary Wharf straight front. Canary Wharf ice skating rink. I haven't been ice skating since 2014 at Bluewater. Olives, £4.75. Well, I'll just have some olives, alright, in the Ivy. Herb stuffed turkey ballatine, £25.95. Oh, yummy. Succulent grilled fillet steak, £34.95. Sirloin steak, what was that? Hang on. £30.50. Yummy. Quite pricey, but not bad. Quite busy ice skating rink, lots of people on it. Do you think I'm going ice skating? You've got nothing coming. So this is where I came for a drink last time. I had a pint of Stroopman here last time. It was actually the day I saw the Blossoms live. I did all this walking tour. Canary Wharf, went over to the XL, and then I went to see the concert at Hammersmith Apollo. Well, you can't open the doors, can you? Oh God, here we go. Nice decorations. Still got Stokeman on tap. Playing Phil Collins. Oh, another day in paradise. Stokeman, established in Prague but brewed in the UK. Oh, nice heater here. Oh. I thought I'd have a toilet in here, but Blue Moon on tap, Stokeman on tap. Oh yeah. Nice area. Very nice area. Terrace bar, Mexican beers. Oh, Mexican beers. Customer toilets. I am a customer, that's right. Gotta go pay somewhere. The Oasis. You gotta roll with it, you gotta take your time. Terrace bar. Okay, so I'm going ice skating now. Going ice skating, I just decided. Put on the old boots and hit the ice. Please be careful. No through access. I don't know. Oh, it's been cleared. Ice break. What's this stuff? Churros. No, nobody on the ice, not allowed. Anyway, I'm getting myself on over to North Greenwich now. Thanks for watching. Canary Wharf. Hope you enjoyed it. This is the end of the Canary Wharf tour. Bye bye. See you at North Greenwich. Okay, so they've got these weird grass statues here. Man and woman. What are you looking at? Get my old kayak and go kayaking across the old lake. So got Canary Wharf Underground Station over there. Canary Wharf Underground Station, not Elizabeth Line. I'm going to one stop to North Greenwich. One stop to North Greenwich is next up the O2 Arena. Well, I've seen quite a few concerts. Last saw, who was it I last saw? Oh, Bryan Adams. That's right, Bryan Adams. That's who I last saw at the O2. Got Canary Wharf building straight ahead. Got a bar just over there, the Alchemist. Security down there. What's the battery on? 58%, that's about right, anyway. Canary Wharf, welcome to Please Don't Climb. I would have seen that anyway, right, okay. Okay, see you at North Greenwich. Bye, this is end of Canary Wharf video. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and hit the like button. And leave a comment below. Hope you've enjoyed this walking tour of Canary Wharf.